How to change language in Twitter. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change language in Twitter. If you want to change your language in Twitter, make sure to update the app to the latest version. And then to begin with, open the Twitter application and log into your account. So from the left hand side corner, click on the profile initials and then click on settings and support and go to settings and privacy from the list. Now here, once you are on this section, you simply want to click on your account and then go to account information. Alright, so over here you should be able to find language. So if you cannot find it, so you just want to go back and then instead of clicking your account, you want to tap on accessibility and display and language. Alright, here you have these language section, you want to click on it and then you have these language that you want to go ahead and change it. You just want to tap on the search and then type in the language that you actually want to go ahead and change it to, and click on the next button and then go ahead and review all the terms and conditions accordingly, and this way you'll be able to change language in Twitter. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.